When you want to draw a good looking pineapple but don't have hours and hours to do it, this tutorial might be just what you're looking for. It has all of the color and pattern without any of the fuss. Hi, my name's Kathy and I've been teaching kids how to draw for over 20 years now. You know, my favorite thing to do is to show students that when you take things one step at a time, learning how to draw just might be easier than you think. The supplies needed for this project are pretty simple, just a pencil, black marker, crayons, and drawing paper. You can also download this free tutorial from my website using the link below. I've already made some center guidelines with a pencil, but you can also just fold and crease your paper in half too to make some creased lines to follow. Step number 1. Alright, the first thing to draw is this large oval that does take up the bottom half of the paper. Start by making some marks to plan the size. Place your pencil in the center and draw the right half, and then draw the left half to match. Step number 2, now we can begin drawing the leaves. Draw a small one that curves to the right, and then one that curves to the left, and make sure there's a little bit of space in between the two. Step number 3, now we're going to add 2 more leaves that are a little bit taller. One curves to the right and one to the left, and they overlap a little bit where they connect to the pineapple. Step number 4, draw 2 more leaves just like you did before. One curving to the right, one to the left, and they overlap a little bit at the base. Step number 5, the leaves are finished with one in the center. Step number 6, now we can begin adding those diagonal lines. I'm going to begin by starting with 2 near the top. Step number 7, I'll continue then adding 2 more diagonal lines with the same spacing as before. And in step number 8, I'll add 4 diagonal lines going in the other direction. If you've kept the spacing the same, then you should end up with a series of nice looking diamond shapes. Step number 9. Alright, our pineapple drawing is done, so it's time to get out that black marker and trace over all those pencil lines. And if you've drawn with me before, you know I recommend erasing pencil lines at this point. Now it's time to bring out those crayons, and I'm going to begin with a golden one and color over those black lines, leaving a little bit of edge on both sides. When those golden lines are done, you can get your yellow crayon and fill in all of those diamonds. Press hard to make all of that yellow color really show up well. The pineapple leaves are filled in a medium shade of green. And then it will look nice if you fill in the background with some kind of color. I'm going to use my favorite shade of blue. And here is my finished pineapple drawing. That was pretty easy to do, don't you think? At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more lessons that over the years have taught millions of kids how to draw. That even includes things like a banana and lemons. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're watching this on YouTube, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified as soon as I post a new video.